Amber Heard explains why. "I don't want to use my voice anymore," and makes rare remarks about the Johnny Depp trial. "It gives me strength seeing other people take on the fight," the mother of three says in the new documentary Silenced. In a recent documentary, Amber Heard makes infrequent remarks regarding her legal disputes with her ex-husband, Johnny Depp. The 39-year-old actress appears in the film Silenced, which focuses on how defamation laws are being used as a weapon against victims of abuse. Heard talks with filmmaker Selena Miles about the fallout from the widely reported defamation cases she and 62-year-old Depp faced in the film, which debuted at the 2026 Sundance Film Festival on Saturday, January 24th. Heard states in the documentary, "This is not about me. According to Variety, I can no longer speak. I'm not here to share my tale. I have no desire to share my tale. To be honest, I no longer wish to use my voice. That is the issue." Participating in the documentary was international human rights attorney Jennifer Robinson, who collaborated with Heard when Depp sued the British publication The Sun. Heard remarks, "I remember at the end of the trial, the idea that I could say something to the press came up in reference to the trial of The Sun. Robinson questioned whether I was certain about that. If they throw things at me, it will make this point more obvious. I thought, I had no idea that utilizing my voice as a woman could make things much worse for me." The Sundance Film Festival website states that Silence also chronicles Catalina Ruiz Navarro's fight for press freedom in Colombia, as well as Brittany Higgins' struggle within Australia's political establishment. When women speak out, powerful systems move to discredit and punish them. The documentary's synopsis reads, "Heard claims in Silence that she is motivated by others who speak up. Seeing others battle for what they believe in gives me strength. Women who are courageous enough to confront the power disparity," she says. "Observing my daughter's face as she matures and gradually begins to enter this world. It could be better, in my opinion." Ocean and Agnes, Heard's twins, and Unak Page, her daughter, are her three young children. When Heard and Depp broke up in 2016, the actress requested a temporary restraining order against Depp amid claims of domestic abuse, citing irreconcilable differences in her divorce suit. In August of that year, Depp and Heard agreed a $7 million divorce settlement. However, in March of 2019, Depp filed a defamation lawsuit against his ex-wife for a 2018 opinion piece she wrote for the Washington Post. Depp lost his lawsuit against his son in November 2020 after the publication referred to him as a wife-beater. Heard testified that the outlet's allegations were substantially true, and the court upheld these claims. Depp's bid to reverse the ruling was rejected in March 2021. More than a year later, in April 2022, court proceedings for Depp's defamation trial got underway. He and Heard accused each other of mental, emotional, and physical assault. After a contentious 6-week trial, a decision was made. Heard was forced to pay $10.35 million in damages after it found her guilty on all 3 charges of defamation related to her 2018 opinion piece. Heard won one of the 3 allegations in her countersuit. Therefore, Depp was ordered to pay $2 million. Despite their appeals, Depp and Heard reached a deal whereby Heard would give Depp $1 million, which Depp would then contribute to various charities. You may schedule Silence online screenings here. Contact the National Domestic Violence Hotline at 1-800-799-7233 or visit the hotline.org if you are a victim of domestic abuse. Every call is private and toll-free. In more than 170 languages, the hotline is accessible around the clock.